Let's see how to clean the InstaCuppa cold press slow juicer after using it. Let's start with the citrus juicer attachment. Take off all the parts. Now clean the main body with a dry or a damp cloth. Do not wash this motor base with water. Discard the leftover pulp and separate all the parts. After rinsing, gently scrub with a sponge and dishwash liquid and then rinse all the parts with some water. After washing, you can let these air dry or you can wipe these dry. Let's see how to clean the cold press juicer setup. Power on and add around 500 ml water and let it run for 10 to 15 seconds. This will make it very easy for you to clean the juicer. Discard the water and then separate all the parts. Rinse all the parts with water. Take off the juice strainer ring and use a cleaning brush to easily clean the strainer. Next, you need to take off the silicone plug. It doesn't come off completely, just a side of it. Then use the other side of the cleaning brush to push the pulp out. After that, use the dishwashing liquid and water to clean all the parts. Close the silicone plug after washing.